everyone and welcome to my channel GardeKnit. Our second gardening lesson is all about preparing seed, whether determining the good seeds or the bad seeds. Materials we need are clear cup or mug, a water, and fill the cup or mug with water. First step, bring your seeds or your chosen seeds. Second, put the seeds in the water and stir it. Good seeds at the bottom and bad seeds at the top, or the bad seeds are floating. If this video was helpful to you, please like it up and consider subscribing to see more videos about gardening and knitting in the future. After determining whether the good seeds or the bad seeds, you can remove the bad seeds or you can pick the good seeds. Then you can plant. Thank you for watching. Bye! See you soon!